you guys, what's up? And first of all, welcome to my channel. I think so this is my first video where I am interacting to you guys directly. Today's video is gonna be Nykaa huge haul. I recently bought a lot of product from Nykaa, which I thought I will be sharing with you. And I have a lot of product to show. Makeup, skincare, hair care. So not wasting time and making it super quick. Let's start the video. I always talk upon things that I love, especially skincare and hair care product. So the first product that I bought is the hair care product. It's Argan hair mask, which is for longer and stronger hair. I was thinking since long to try on this product. It have argan oil, avocado oil, milk protein and curd extract, which is very good for hair. It also claims that it reduces hair fall, repair damaged hair and cleanse and soothe scalp too. Especially this product is from Mama's Earth, so I always wanted to try this product because I know Mama's Earth products are very good because I am using it for my baby.
It will cost you around $5.99 and the quantity is 200 ml, a big tub, which is pretty good for this price. Now I'm gonna show how I use this product. I am going to part my hair and detangle my hair before doing the actual process. The texture of this mask is very creamy and thick. I'm gonna take palm full of hair mask and apply evenly from root to tip. I love the other ingredients of this hair mask too, like Bringraj oil, which is always heard that it is good for hair, rosemary oil, which helps in stimulating hair follicles, and the key ingredient avocado oil that helps in reducing hair fall and strengthens hair. This mask is suitable for men and women of all ages, people with dry, damaged and chemical treated hair, and for all hair types, especially for the curly hair. That is a bonus because there are very less product in the market for curly hair. I am using a white tooth comb to evenly spread and apply on the other side too similarly. Also, I love to massage my head for blood circulation as it will promote the regrowth of new hair. Now I'm gonna cover my hair with hot towel to help the nutrients get absorbed in the hair nicely. Doing this, the mask becomes more effective. Leaving my mask for 20 minutes, I am gonna wash the hair with sulfate-free shampoo or with any mild shampoo.
The next product is related to skincare, which is my favorite, and it is Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel for acne-prone skin. For my acne, I use this La Roche-Posay, which is over now and I'm not able to get on Nykaa. On Amazon, it is available, but the prices are so varying that I can't believe that it is a fake product or it's a real product. That's why I want an alternative for this La Roche-Posay cream.
This is pretty cheap in comparison of La Roche-Posay, but still I have heard a lot good about it. It looks like a clear moisturizing gel we need to apply on thoroughly cleansed skin. Taking a few blobs of this moisturizing gel, I am gonna distribute evenly on the affected area. It claims that it is ideal to combat pimples, blackheads and skin impurities. Also, it is free from any oils and emulsifiers which led to clogging of pores. It also maintains the pH level of skin, which makes your skin healthy by protecting against acne bacteria.
So moving on to next, this is Matrix Biolage Deep Smoothing Serum, and this is I think so my third bottle that I have ordered. This is my ultimate favorite. I am a very big fan of this serum. It contains avocado oil again, and this is 6-in-1 professional serum which smooths and controls frizzy hair. I sometimes don't have time to condition my hair because my baby is small, so this is my best friend which care for my hair. That's why I will highly recommend to try this on. It is very good.
We need to apply serum on towel dried hair. Taking a little of it, like 2 or 3 drops, rub it between palms, making it a little warm and apply with the help of fingers. It basically creates a shield around our hair, protecting it from harsh UV rays, dust and pollution. This serum is the perfect quick fix solution for rough, frizzy and tangled hair. It claims that it provides humidity control and anti-frizz smoothness even in 97% humidity. I almost have seen this product in every salon I visited. It includes avocado and grapeseed oil that works wonder for hair with its light and non-sticky texture and also not weighing your hair down.
Next, I have ordered Kaya Refreshing Mattifying Wipes, which is acne free. I used baby wipes to clean my makeup, so I want to give it a try on this one. These are cleansing wipes which contain vitamin E, and these are only 30 wipes, so I need to order more because I found a lot of makeup.
These wipes has a shelf life of 24 months. For cleaning makeup, I am gonna do my usual makeup removal routine by breaking down all the makeup by using oil-based balm, and then I am gonna clean the makeup with these wipes. Otherwise, I have to rub my skin with the wipe, which is not good for acne-prone skin. These wipes have effective ingredients that cleanse your skin of all dirt, oil and makeup. Pores are connected to oil glands under our skin. These glands make an oily substance that is called sebum. These wipes helps pores not to clog by cleaning the face massively. It is suitable for combination on oily skin. It kinds of mattifies the skin, making it healthier and radiant. Also, it contains vitamin E, so your skin will not feel dry after using this.
Next, I ordered this Body Shop Seaweed Deep Cleansing Gel Wash with mineral rich seaweed from Roaring Water Bay, which is from Ireland. This also I want to try from a very long time. Basically, I want to add this product to my night skincare because I have heard that it just go deeply in your pores and clean all the dirt and all the gunk and all the makeup. So let's see how it works. Amazing, it smells really good, and especially gel face washes and water-based face washes are very good for acne. Those who have acne, please always order or always try it on gel face washes or water-based face washes.
It is a mild gel-based face wash, thus good for combination oily skin. It detoxifies and keeps the pore unclogged by controlling sebum and rebalancing the moisture. It also gives a refreshing look by removing excess oil and impurities, and the best part of it is that it gives a cooling effect on the
Next,
face.
I have this Bioderma Sensible H2O Makeup Removing Micelle Solution. I hope I am pronouncing it right. And this also I use as a toner and as a makeup remover also. It also have shown a lot of change to my face. This is third bottle that I have ordered and I will be using, and because it's summer, you tend to get more oily and you can't clean your face again and again with a face wash, so you can tone it again and moisturize it and you are good to go. I'm addicted to all the Bioderma products. Like I use Bioderma sunscreen, I use Bioderma pore refiner, I use this one for makeup remover and as toner, I use a face wash also of Bioderma. I am a huge fan of Bioderma.
It is fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and also prevents irritation to those who have sensitive skin. It is suitable for all skin type and maintains skin's natural pH level. I like using this before sleeping, coming back to my home, and also clean my makeup at last because it cleanses the skin and removes all the dirt or pollutants that were probably stuck on my face. If you want a best and safest way to remove your makeup, then definitely go for it. It is an amazing eye makeup remover and removes the waterproof makeup too.
Next, I have this double-sided cotton pads which I use for wiping and cleaning my face, and it have 80 pieces, and especially I love this tie-up thing on the top so that your cotton pads are dust-free. It's 100% cotton and it claims to be dermatological tested, and it also can be used as water pads like for eye packs or all that kind of stuff. It cost around 109, which is very nominal, and I think it is a good buy.
These cotton pads are very soft on the skin, still they doesn't shed cotton fibers because they have these closed edges which prevent fiber separation. It also has this uneven texture on one side which act like an exfoliating component that helps removing makeup nicely.
Next, we have the Solution Pore Care Face Mask, which is from Face Shop Natural Story. I also want to give it a try on this one because it claims that it shrinks the pore as it is a pore corrector. Also, a sale is going on for these face masks from Face Shop on Nykaa. You can order 14 and you have to only pay for half. So moving on to makeup products, I ordered this Hyper Curl Volume Express waterproof mascara, and before this one I was using this Clozel Volume Express mascara, and I was using it since a long time, I think 2 to 3 years. So this was the first reason that I ordered this one. And the second reason was it was getting expired. You need to change mascaras in every 6 months because mascaras can lead to eye infections, so it is a must that you have to change in every 6 months. Maybelline is my favorite brand. Like, it is the drugstore brand that I can live only on Maybelline products.
I already have thick eyelashes, but this mascara gives proper dimension to my lashes, making them look more volumized, lengthy and enhanced. It also claims that it stays 18 hours, waterproof and smudge proof.
So moving on to last product of our haul, I have ordered this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow, which is in rose gold shade. Look at the beautiful eyeshadow. And the pigmentation of these Makeup Revolution eyeshadows are so good. Otherwise also they have given this intensifying primer. You can mix it with the eyeshadow.
The texture of this eyeshadow is creamy, buildable and blendable. It can be used for dramatic makeup looks too, and for that you can use small amount of primer on mixing tray, put some eyeshadow on the tray, mix the two together and apply accordingly. Here I haven't used any primer and I am happy the way it sets my eyes. It gave a glittery shine to my eyes. My eyes look like a star ball.
So here our video ends. I hope you like the haul. Please hit that like button, comment and share with as much as people you can. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I shall meet you in the next one. Bye bye.